we're gonna try and get the fake charge pipe mocked up and ready. Unfortunately, my welder, my little Harbor Freight welder, isn't gonna be able to weld stainless steel. So someone at my job, one of the mechanics, is going to weld it for me. All I have to do is just mock it out on a piece of cardboard paper, or cardboard, as I should say, and he's going to weld it for me. So today, oh wait, oh, why am I up here?
All right, so here we go. Welcome back. So today, like I said, we're just gonna mock everything up. Right here next to me, I have the turbocharger, which is still attached to the D16 exhaust manifold. I'm gonna go ahead and get that off using a 14mm socket, and then we'll move on from there, and then we'll get straight to the piping outside and try to fit everything up to where I want it. All right, so let's get these bolts off.
Just another day and I needed you most. Running for my life, nobody's here to hold me tonight. Running for my life, nobody's gonna make this right. Drop it.
Alright, so from what I see over here is we're gonna have to get this pipe over here to get cut at that point right there, and then have a straight pipe that runs across this way and then turns over here, comes across this way, turns over here, comes up for our turbo, and boom. No, or boom. This thing's pretty heavy. I'm probably gonna notch this off right here and then push it so that the have it so that the turbo itself is sticking out of this spot a little bit more. And then the battery would have to go to the back. Shouldn't be a problem. So high. How high? Okay, so as you can see here, I marked it. All I have to do now is just add a piece that'll weld straight across, probably taking 30 degrees out of this. A 30-degree angle, and it should work out. I mean, I kind of mocked it up over here on what it would look like, just in a nutshell. Hopefully this works. I'm not really sure if it will, but still want to try it out. So, as you guys saw, we have things in the work. Just a matter of getting them done. Again, the issue that I had was the welder, and that I couldn't weld it myself. So tomorrow I'm going to take it to my job and have one of the mechanics hook me up with a little bit of their expertise in this, and in making sure that this is welded correctly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and take care. Doggies, come here.
Sit down. Charlie, sit down. No, Charlie. No. Charlie, calm down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Boy. You're just back there chilling. Hi, Rosie. Sit down. Sit. Alright, getting ready for work. And I have everything marked up on where I want it cut. And then get this welded on here. I'm going to take this piece and just extend it on the other end. But he needs to cut out this elbow. Once he cuts out that elbow, it's just going to be a straight run in the other direction to make it look good and fit correctly. Yeah. Hopefully I have another video coming soon with the entire charge pipe completed, or at least me working on it. Who's a good girl, Daisy? Well, this is how you get them started up. Who's a good girl, Daisy? Huh? Rosie? Hi, Charlie. 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 Charlie, look at me. Charlie, look at me. Look at me. Not you, Rosie. Charlie, look at me. Boy, Charlie. Charlie, are you a good boy? You a good boy, Charlie? Charlie's a good boy. Good girl, Daisy? Hi, Daisy. Why you look so angry? Where's Teddy? Teddy! Teddy!